In a narration found in Imam Munzari's Awareness and Apprehension, number 28, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised a characteristic which leads a Muslim to paradise, namely, keeping one's harm away from people. This is vital to fulfill, as according to a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 4998, a person cannot be a true Muslim or believer until they keep their verbal and physical harm away from a person and their possessions, irrespective of their faith. The one who mistreats others will find that justice will be established on Judgment Day. They will be forced to give their good deeds to their victims and, if required, take their sins. This may cause them to be hurled into hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. One must instead treat others how they wish people to treat them. This will ensure they not only keep their harm away from others, but also aid others according to their means, in order to please Allah, the Exalted. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.